She feeds us, she looks after us, but we are the one who are destroying her beauty. We are the one who are destroying the peace and harmony in nature with our actions. We are endangering our own existence.
Plastic is found everywhere on this green globe. It takes thousands of years to decompose. It has vast range of harmful effects on life on Earth and life in ocean. It releases harmful chemicals in water that cause diseases in consumers. Sadly, plastic has become the part of our food chain, and it is causing serious illnesses in organisms. Instead of throwing it out, we should recycle it so then we can save our home from dying out.